Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make grapefruit sorbet. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need several fresh grapefruits, granulated sugar, and clean water. Selecting ripe grapefruits is key for a vibrant, tangy flavor. Aim for about 2 cups of freshly squeezed grapefruit juice to ensure a perfect balance in your sorbet. This simple start sets the stage for a truly refreshing treat. Next, we'll prepare the base. Start by making a simple syrup. Combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water in a saucepan. Heat it gently until the sugar fully dissolves, then let it cool completely. While that cools, juice your grapefruits until you have roughly 2 cups of fresh, vibrant juice. Once the syrup is cool, mix it thoroughly with your grapefruit juice. Now for the exciting part, churning. First, make sure your sorbet mixture is thoroughly chilled, ideally for at least 4 hours in the refrigerator. This step is crucial for a smooth texture. Then, pour the cold mixture into your ice cream maker and churn it according to the manufacturer's instructions, usually for 20 to 30 minutes. The sorbet will be soft serve consistency. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious creation. Transfer the soft sorbet from the ice cream maker into an airtight container and freeze it for at least 2 more hours to achieve a firmer, scoopable consistency. When ready, serve your homemade grapefruit sorbet chilled in small bowls. It's a wonderfully refreshing treat. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.